Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to delete a friend in TikTok and are wondering how, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, on TikTok, a friend is someone you follow and they follow you back. And to delete a friend, you need to either unfollow them or remove them as a follower. So, option one is unfollowing them. So, for that, what you can do is once you open up your TikTok app, you can tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then once you tap on the profile icon, it should open up your profile like this on your screen. Now that you're here, what you need to do is basically go ahead and unfollow the people that you would like to not have them as a friend. So you can just go over to your following for that, and both of you, if both of you are friend, you can even look out for your followers as well, or you can look out for the section called friends. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then once you go ahead and tap on it, here you will be finding all of your friends that you have currently on your TikTok account. Now, in order to remove them, what you can do is you can basically look out for the three dot right beside them, tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can just go ahead and look out for unfollow button. If not, from here you can directly go over to their profile, and from their profile you can just go over and look out for this profile option, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should be finding an option of unfollow. You can go ahead and tap on it and confirm that you would like to unfollow this person, and that will remove them as you're following. Similarly, if you would like to remove yourself as a follower, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and remove them as a follower as well. So go to your followers count as well, and you may go to their profile, and from there also you can unfollow them by just going and tapping on the three dot right beside it and looking for this option called remove this follower. After that, you just need to confirm that you would like to remove this particular person, and when you do, they will be removed as a friend from your TikTok. Using this feature won't be notified, but they will no longer see your private post or show up in your friends list. And that's it. This is quite easy. You may follow up this process if you'd like to delete a friend on TikTok. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.